we're gonna be decorating some water bottles today, and as you notice, they're all like mainly pink water bottles. We're gonna be decorating only pink water bottles. It's a pink theme today, and I wanted to show you guys how you can take off your charms and transfer them to another bottle. These charms are pretty much reusable, but you could reuse these bottle hooks, or you could leave it on your water bottle, and they're dishwasher safe. We're always curious in our videos like, oh, how do you wash your water bottles with all the charms on and whatnot? Like, guys, they're on hooks, you could take it off. Well, I'm gonna show you guys. So first of all, super easy, just unhook anything you want to change out, like the pom-pom. Like, we're just gonna unhook everything actually. Bottle boots are also dishwasher safe, but I do recommend take off the bottle boot before you wash it, because you know, you should wash the inside as well. You never know what's in there. The straw obviously you wash on its own. Candle charm is my favorite new product that we have. It's available at Target. It's part of our Valentine's Day collection. I love how versatile it is. You could actually just like put it on your purse, low-key, or just like on anything you want to hang a cute little beautiful charm like this. This is how the bottle looks like now. She's naked. You could honestly put her on the wash like this with a hook on. You could just put it in the wash like that. It's fully washable just like this. So now let's decorate this beautiful hydro jug. I want to show you guys how easy it is to actually transfer your bottle hooks to other bottles, which I think is so great because they're reusable. So you just take them off. I personally love this flower one, is my favorite because it is so sticky. It's just really easy. So let's just put her on my hydro jug. It'd be really cute on this flat side. You guys were wondering, I know a lot of people ask like if I'm the CEO of the company, like because you see me in all of our videos and whatnot. I'm not. I am just a content creator. Ta-da! I put it on, but I am the full-time content creator for CharCharms. Our CEO is actually really named Charlotte, which hence the name. Definitely add this handle charm. It'd be super cute. Bam. And now I think it'd be super cute to add the pink pom-pom because we're doing it all pink. But speaking of our CEO again, another fun fact is we actually went to the same college together. And my favorite thing is that we're actually also around the same age. These are some of my cute favorite charms. I absolutely love our beaded charms. I'm aiming for the pink one. She's so pretty. Wow, she's so pretty. I love the gold detailing as well. Let's put it on. I know everything right here is silver, but I love like a mix of metals too. Like, wait, the gold looks really good. Okay. Period. So Charlotte is really cool, and our company has actually been on Shark Tank as well. And that's all thanks to Charlotte, which is, I think, really epic. We're missing a lippy pouch, so let's get that one. We have to use a pink one, so I'm gonna take out my lippy. I found this one. This is actually my favorite. I absolutely love like our marble looking lippy pouches, but let's add it on. Ta-da! There's a hack, so you know how there's so much like stacked. If you want like a certain charm to be in the front, I recommend you just taking off that charm and putting it on top of the other charm. I wanted my beads to be in the front, so I just switched the order of the hooks. So that's my little hack for you guys. Perfect. We're missing the bottle boot. No wonder why it's looking a little naked. This is my favorite bottle boot we've ever released. This is our Valentine's Day one, and I just love the heart cutout. She's so cute. Do you see my eyeballs? She's perfect. Low-key, I'm gonna take off the handle charm. It's distracting from the light pink. Red is like very deep. This is our little pink, beautiful bottle. You know, I transferred the charms from my other bottle. That's how you transfer charms, and how you could switch out your charms to another water bottle. My pile of goodies. What y'all know about this mini Stanley and this really cute dolphin? This charm is so pretty, guys. Silly. And we have this charm, beautiful. And we have this silly one. Football season. It's kind of unfortunate. My favorite team, the Bears, lost. But she's cute. If you guys have any questions,